Once upon a time, in a small, cheerful village by the riverside, there lived a couple named Ramu and Lalita. They ran a tiny bajji shop near the bus stand. Every evening, the air would smell like crispy mirchi bajjis, hot oil, and happiness. Ramu was funny but a bit lazy. He would say, Lalita, people come for my jokes, not for your cooking. Lalita would laugh. Ha! If not for my budgies, they would run away faster than your jokes. Every day, Ramu would take orders and Lalita would fry budgies in the sizzling pan. Shh! Customers loved them both. But soon, a problem started. A new budgie shop opened across the street. Shiny board, fancy lights, and even free chutney. Everyone started going there instead. Ramu scratched his head. What do we do now? Lalita smiled. Don't worry, I have an idea. We'll make our bajis special. That night, she mixed secret ingredients, a pinch of love, a spoon of patience, and a dash of humor. Then she whispered, let's call them magical bajis. The next morning, they put up a tiny sign, try our magical bajis. They make you smile. When people came to taste them, something amazing happened. They actually felt happier. Old uncle danced, kids giggled, and even the grumpy bus driver smiled for the first time. The fancy new shop across the street became empty. Its owner asked, what's your secret recipe? Ramu winked. It's simple. We add a spoon of joy in every bhaji. From that day, Ramu and Lalita's shop was always full. Ramu took orders, told silly jokes, and Lalita flipped golden bhajis with love. And whenever someone asked why their bhajis tasted so special, Lalita would say, because happiness is our main ingredient. Moral: when you do your work with love and joy, it becomes magical. Success comes from teamwork, not fancy looks.